Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI P40 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and you can do it by tapping on this icon right here. Once in the settings, let's select sound and vibration right here. Then tap on phone ringtone. Here we have a list of ringtones, and you can listen to them by just tapping on one. Now we can go through the whole list. So let's start from this one. And that's all of them. Once you find the one you like, just select it and then go back. And that's how you change the ringtone on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.